Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Startup Academy, your online gateway to get success in ISS exam. This academy is exclusively for ISS and we are currently doing time series which is of statistics paper 3 descriptive type, and in the previous lecture we have done various difference method which was for calculation of variance of the random component, and today we'll do one example of that method. We have done the procedure and how is it useful for eliminating the random or finding the random component in our time series data. And today we'll take one such examples that will give us that will show how can we find the variate difference method. So let us begin. So we have been given a table. Let us draw the table first. Mm, there are 25 points. So it has been given that we have been given a time series data for 25 years, for 25 time periods, which is t and yt. So the value of t goes from 1 to 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 25 we can take. How do we shift this? Okay, if we make same table below this for 25 units, I have taken smaller table. Hope it is clear on the screen, and we'll do 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. So these are the T's that have been given, and uh, The values of YT are 106, 118, 124. 106, 118, 124, 94, 82, 88, 94, 82, 88, 88, 68, 98, 115. 88, 68, 98, 115. This would be 88, 87, 88, 88, 88. Sorry, 68. 135, 104, 96, 110, 107. 18 would be 97, 75, 86. 111, 125, 78. 86, 102. So this is the table that has been given to us, and we have to find the variate difference method. We all know that variate difference method is nothing but, first of all, we have to calculate v2 mu2 delta yt, delta k yt upon 2k k. This is vk. And first of all, we'll calculate v1 and v2. Then we'll find out rk, which is the uh, coefficient of this coefficient of variate difference method. And if it is greater than 1.96, then these two do differ significantly, and we'll calculate v3 likewise. So first of all, here we'll calculate delta yt, then delta square yt, delta cube yt, and delta raised to the power 4 yt. So for v1, if we are calculating v1, we need that we just need delta yt, and 2kc1 would be 2. So we just need delta yt, variance of delta yt. So delta yt would be, I have told you this earlier, delta yt is nothing but yt minus yt minus 1. So here 10118 minus 106 would be 12. 124 minus 118 would be 6. 94 minus 124 would be minus 30. 82 minus 94 would be minus 12. 88 minus 2 would be 6. 87 minus 88 minus 1. 1, 0. 68 minus 20. 98, 30. 115 minus 98 would be 13. 135 minus 115 would be 20. 104 minus 35 would be 30 minus 31. 96 minus 104 would be minus 8. 110 minus 96 would be 14. 107 minus 110 minus 3. 97 minus 107 minus 10. 75 minus SE will be calculating all delta yt's, or and this summation of delta yt. This mu dash can be written as summation of delta yt upon 2. So summation of delta yt will come as summation of delta yt square. Summation of delta yt will square will come as 8536. If you will calculate this, it would be 8536 upon 2, which would come out to be 4268. This is 4268. And for V2 is mu 2 dash delta square yt. Now, how would we calculate delta square yt? Upon 4c2. 4c2 is 6. So, this would be nothing but summation of delta square yt whole square upon 6. So, this would come out to be okay. So, there is one thing. If we are calculating mu 2 dash delta yt, so it would be nothing but delta yt upon whole square upon n. So summation of delta yt, summation of t goes from 1 to n, delta yt whole square upon n. So here n is 24 terms, n is 24, because all of this, because we are differencing, so there would be 1 unit less, so n would be 24. So we'll divide this by 24, and because v1 is upon 2c1, so we'll divide it by 24 into 2, which is 48. If we divide it by 48, we'll get our answer as 355.667. And summation of here also it will be 23. How? Because we'll subtract again. 6 minus 12 will be minus 6, minus 30 minus 6 minus 36, minus 12 plus 30 minus 18 plus 18, 6 plus 12 18, minus 1 minus 6 minus 7. Likewise, we'll calculate this as well. So one more unit gets decreased because nothing is there in front of 12. Similarly to this, nothing was there in front of 106. So one more unit gets decreased. So it would be 6 into 23. And our answer comes out to be 757.565. This is our answer. If we have been given as H K H1 25 as 9 point H1 comma 25 has been given as 9.065. So our value RK would be VK minus VK plus 1 upon VK into HKN. So VK is our V1. V1 is 355.667. VK plus 1 is our 757.565 upon Vk would be 355.667, and we'll multiply this by hkn, 9.065. Now this answer comes out to be 2.62. 2.62, and which is greater than 1.96. Hence, they differ significantly, and we have to find delta Q by T or V3. Now we'll find V3 for this. So again for V3, we'll find V3. For V3, first of all, we'll find this minus 36 plus 6 minus 30. 18 plus 36 would be 54. 18 minus 18 would be 0. Minus 7 minus 18 would be minus 25, and so on. And for delta raised to the power 4 by t also we'll calculate here. 54 plus minus 30 would be 84. 0 minus 54 would be minus 54. Minus 25 minus 0 would be minus 25, and so on. So again, V3 would be nothing but mu 2 dash delta yt, delta cube yt upon n. Now n would be 1 less again. So before it was 23, now it will become 22 into 4c into 6c2, which will be 20. 63. So this would be nothing but summation of delta cube yt whole square upon 22 into 20, which comes out to be 2056. This is the V3. Now we'll calculate RK again, or R2. Simply we can write R2. R2 is Vk minus Vk plus 1, or I'm writing V3 V2 minus V3 upon V2 into H2 comma 25. So H2 comma 25 has been given as 11.499. So it would be 757.565 minus 2056, 755.565 into 11.499. H2 25, 11.499. This has been given. And if we calculate this, our R2 will be equal to 2.14 modulus of R2, which is again greater than 1.96, and hence we have to calculate V4. So for V4 again, I am calculating V4 now. So V4 is equals to mu 2 dash delta raised to the power 4 yt upon 21 into uh, that would be 8c4, 8c4, which would be again summation of delta raised to the power 4 yt whole square upon 21. 8c4 would be 8 factorial upon 4 factorial into 4 factorial. 8 7 6 5. 4 factorial gets cancelled. 4 3 2 1. 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 70 into 70. So this comes out to be our 92.7653. 92.7653. If we subtract, excuse me, if we subtract R3, we'll be getting V3 minus V4 upon V3 into H325. H325 is given here as 12.944. 12.9445. This is H325, and this comes out to be 1.26, 1.26, which is less than 1.96, and hence we can say that V2, either of V2 or V3, can be considered as our variance of this process. So this was the process given to us, and that's how we have find out the variate difference method. You can find similar questions to this and practice on your own, and if you have any doubt regarding to this topic, then you can ask in the comment section, or on our WhatsApp channel. Relevant doubts will be answered, and keep on practicing the question tomorrow, from the next part of this time series onwards. We'll start with new topic, which is advanced time series, which most of you haven't done before. If you haven't been preparing, if you aren't been preparing for ISS, if you are preparing, then you must be aware of that topic. If you are not, then this would be new topic, so you would have to pay attention to this topic. So all the best and keep on learning.